look at this beautiful question. Students, please, I need your attention here. 15 is greater than minus 3x. Now, in inequalities, whenever I'm dividing both sides by a negative number, the sign of the inequality will change. Do you get my point? So here, if I have divide both sides by minus 3, you know I'm looking for x. Because I'm dividing both sides by minus 3, I'm going to have 15. You can see this is the sign I have before. Because I'm dividing both sides by minus 3, this sign is going to change. So if it is less than before, it will change to greater than. If it is greater than before, it will change to less than. So this is greater than, it will now change to this side. Do you get that now? All over minus 3. Minus 3x all over minus 3. Why is it changing? Because I'm dividing both sides by a negative number. Do you get that now? So always take note. This is where you people make mistake. I don't want mistake for you. Always remember, whenever I'm dividing both sides by a negative number, the sign of the inequality will change. Do you get that now? The sign will change. So here, minus 3 will cancel minus 3. And minus 3 in 15 will give me minus 5. So I have minus 5 is what? Less than x. So another thing that we need to know is how to read this. What we have here is minus 5 is less than x. But if I want to read it in terms of x, my x is greater than x. You can see this open mouth here. If I have this open mouth is telling me that I'm greater than you. This closed edge here is telling me that I'm less than you. So if I have this one is what? Less than. If something is looking at, if I'm looking at something from this direction, it means x is what? Less than, let's say 5. So if 5 is looking at x, you know, 5 is looking at x with big greater than mouth. So it's going to be 5 is what? Greater than x. You can see it's the same thing. Look at x, look at the edge. Look at x, look at the edge. Look at 5, look at the open mouth. Look at 5, look at the open mouth with x. So always note that this, when you have something like this, so here I have minus 5 is less than x, and therefore it means my x is what? X is greater than minus 5. Do you see that now? Minus 5 is less than x is greater than 5. So if I have something like this, it means x is greater than 3, but 3 is what? Is less than x. Do you get that now? So here it means 9 is greater than or equals to 3x, but 3x is less than or equals to 9. Are you getting the interpretation now? Thank you. So let me finish this. So drawing the line graph now, I have the line graph. I'm going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2. So my x is what? Greater than minus 5. So meaning that I need this place more than positive. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So if I put a circle here, this is minus. I'm not going to shade it because it's just greater than. So x is greater than minus 5. You can see minus 4 is greater than minus 4. Minus 5. Minus 3 is greater than minus 5. Minus 2 is greater than. So my arrow is going to come this way. So I have x is greater than minus 5. So that is it.